Hello guys and welcome back to MS Tech Tutorials, and in today's video I'm going to be going over how to fix the a required privilege is not held by the client error code, and let's get straight into it. So there are one of two ways to fix this issue, and I'll show you both ways. The first way is basically just right click on the app that is causing you this issue, go ahead and hit run as an administrator and basically open up the app this way. But if you do think that you might forget this and you might only do it once and you might forget to do it the next time you run the app, the second method is basically going to be right click on it, go over to properties, go over to the compatibility tab. You can go in and check the run this program in compatibility mode for Windows 8 and run this program as an administrator. Once you go in and hit apply and then hit OK, basically this will always be set as run as an administrator, and then you will be good to go. And even if you forget, automatically it will be run as that. So that is basically it for the video. That is how to fix the issue. You can always restart your PC as well, check to see if that helps the issue. And yeah, so that is it. So thank you guys for watching. Make sure to give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and have a great day.